So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to give a demonstration on a mini painting, and it's going to be very easy and simple. So here I am using a black sheet. You can use any color sheet even, and here I am having two pencils. One is a simple pencil and whereas other is a white pencil, or you can say a white pencil color. Here I am using to draw easily on a black surface. So let us first draw the object. So I'm going to paint a portrait of a pot, you can say, or a still life. So it's better to paint like this. So just draw simple lines to show your object. Then we will make it clear with the help of the colors. Like you can see, I'm using a very light pencil to paint, so it will not be visible after coloring. Sketching is almost done. Like this, you can see it's clearly visible. Now we will start coloring. So for coloring, here I am using Camlin cake colors, or you can say artist watercolors. These are acrylics, or you can say fabric colors from Fabric Quill. I'm having few shades over here according to my picture. So I'm going to paint the flowers in pink or a little bit reddish, and here the pot will be a little bit I guess gray. Yeah, it will be gray. So let's get started. So first let's color the pot. Here we will use white color with a little bit gray, like you can say black, and a blue as well. We will do the first one. For that we will use a little bit of color but a lot of water, like you can see. You can even take any color paper for the kind of background you want. Like here I want a black background, so I have used a black paper. It also gives a little bit you can say a shadow effect or something. You can even use any color. Even we can do it on white as well. So here we will also do the same with the flowers. Like first we will make the base, because it will be a little bit difficult as the surface is black, so it will take time to catch any color, and it can even cause a little bit dullness in the color. So here we are using white color as a base for the flowers and the leaves. So do the same with the whole object, then we will paint further. So you can see it's almost dry. Now we can use other colors. Like here I'm using red with the mix of white. So here we are going to use a little bit smaller brush, you can say, for a detail work, or you can say flowers. So first just make a pink color by mixing white and red. Like you can see, we are mixing white with a red. It will give us a little bit lighter tone.